Zoom meetings are the new normal, right? From college classes to office boardroom meetings that turn you into a cat meme sensation.
Mr. Ponton, I believe you have a filter turned on in the video settings.
Zoom's got something for everyone, and in fact it has become the de facto mode of communication. Now recently it dropped a brand new update that brings shiny new features on both its desktop as well as mobile clients. So here's a quick look at these new features and also how you can try them out. But before we get started, let me tell you that you have to update your Zoom client on both your desktop and your mobile devices in order to try out these new features. Now let's start off this list with emoji reactions. A lot of times we find ourselves in a situation in which there's a meeting going on and there's something funny or shocking happening and you want to express yourself but you can't because your camera isn't turned on because you still got that out of the bed look. Well, Zoom got something for you. On the bottom right corner of your Zoom video interface, you now have a reactions button. The new thing here is that Zoom has included even more emojis, adding variety to both the type and color of emojis. Next up, we have Vanishing Pen Annotations. Now, this is an interesting one because a lot of times you want to bring the focus of our viewers to a certain place on the screen while we are sharing our screen. Annotations lets you do just that. Simply turn on screen sharing, then on top you'll find the annotate button within the toolbar. Clicking that will bring up a bunch of options. You can add text by clicking on the text tool, draw using the draw tool, and you can even add stamps and highlight stuff. Just in case you want to delete something, click on the erase button and delete the shape, text or stamp you have created. You can also click on the select tool and click and drag on the screen to select some elements and move them around. However, the new thing here is the addition of Vanishing Pen Annotations. To try this out, click on the spotlight button. This will open a drop-down. Here, select the Vanishing Pen tool and this will let you draw things temporarily on the screen. The shapes you draw will disappear after just a few seconds. Now, if you have been enjoying these new features so far, do make sure that you like this video and also share it with your friends so that they can also try out these new features, and also a sub would be really awesome. Now, drawing on a touch device is a little frustrating at times, especially when you're trying to be precise with shapes like a line or a circle or a square. Zoom now lets you create straight lines and perfect shapes when annotating on a whiteboard, but this is only restricted to Android devices at the moment. To do this, tap the share button and then tap share whiteboard. Once you're here, tap the edit button on the bottom left corner, then tap the more options button denoted by ellipsis icon and then turn on smart recognition. You can now draw circles, lines, rectangles, triangles perfectly. And those were the latest features from Zoom that you should definitely try out. Which one caught your attention? Let us know in the comments. And also remember that we have done a lot of other videos on Zoom, so do try them out. I highly recommend the one in which I tell you how you can use face filters so that you can become a cat meme sensation yourself. And as always, remember to log into gadgets360.com for all things tech.